dalawa klaseng adapt. Adapt with an A and adapt with an O. Ano talaga adapt with an O? Adapt children. Adapt ng bata. Okay. Sa thesis nyo, may O mga A. But ang A na, kung A ka na adaptation with an A, more on environment. Maka-adapt sa environment mainit, maka-adjust ka sa init. Specific structure, behavior, and adaptation life. So their environment. So adaptation. Ano mas climate change ta? Dapat may awareness. Mitigation. May adaptation. So ano awareness? Kamaan ka mong isang kainit tungkol sa global warming. Sa gulpila ng kainit klima. Sa climate change. Hindi man accurate ang prediction pag-asa tungkol sa climate and fire, sunscreen, that is adaptation, or sabihin nyo, ay insulation foam. That is adaptation. The environment and adaptation. Adapt kita para ma-minimize ang effect. Hindi mo dalang ma-ignore ka dyan. All you have to do is to mitigate. Then of these taxes, organisms are able to maintain internal conditions constantly despite environmental changes.